Wait! Okay, now do it.
Hello!
Hi.
Welcome to the Rubik's contest, round 1.
Yeah, this is the Rubik's Cube contest. I used to be able to do these when I was somewhere around her age, and she wanted to challenge me to doing the cube to see if, number one, if I could still do them, and number two, if she could beat me. So
we're going to do it 2 out of 3. And we're going to mix up each other's cubes so it's fair.
Is this one mine?
We have the same type of cube, just different logos at the top. Okay.
Okay, so we'll mess up each other's cubes. That looks like it's messed up pretty good.
He's good at mixing up cubes, I'm not. Yeah.
Okay, so we can examine. Okay.
I'm so scared.
Okay.
Wait, I have to. You guys keep
And
Wait, sorry.
One.
we have timer set, so
We have to put our cube right here.
put the cubes in front
And
and ready, set, go.
let's see.
Well,
Mix it up good. Done. Oops. I just threw my Rubik's cube.
what was your time?
1 minute 11 seconds. Something.
Nice. Okay. Well, you beat me on the first.
Wait, I have
Challenge.
to fix this.
Okay, we don't have time to go fixing.
Yeah, we don't have time.
Fixing my
to-
cube.
No, I have to. I only fix it. Okay.
Fuzzy.
Do you even look at the cube when you do it?
Sometimes. Well, you know, almost done.
Well, I'm just mixing yours up right now.
Okay.
Sure taking you a long time on that one.
I'm mixing it up.
Right.
Oh.
Okay. Okay. There. Alright, you're all mixed up.
No. I suck at mixing cubes. Wait, we have to examine.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright. Ready, set, go.
understand. Cube.
Done already? How, what was that?
113. It wasn't very good.
113. Okay. So I guess this. Well, you beat me 2 out of 3 already. Do you want to do a third?
Sure.
Okay.
But we should do this like once a week or something.
Okay.
See. I want to learn
That'll
a
give
different
me
method.
that'll give me time to get back up to speed on it, I guess, huh?
Yeah.
Wait, that's your cube, isn't it?
Oh crap. Wait.
Okay.
And now I'm confused.
You started
mixed
mixing.
up your cube and I mixed up my cube.
No, I was trying to still do mine,
Oh.
and then you fixed yours, and then you started mixing it up. I think we're in pretty good shape though. So this is your cube. I got it mixed up. Okay. Are you ready?
No.
Ready, set, go.
Elizabeth, you're such a nerd.
Are you Snapchatting or something? What? What?
Have some mercy on your old dad.
What do you mean? I don't even know.
You don't know what mercy is? That's scary.
You know Uncle Jesse? He's like, have mercy.
Hey, you crafted this at least. What? Oh, you stopped it already. Okay.
Okay, well that's day 1 of the Rubik's Cube Challenge. We'll just see what happens next week. Won't we?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye.
Shout out to Emily for being the best recorder, right?
Shout out to Emily.
Shout out to the tripod.
Hey. Bye.